Hello and welcome to this 5-bedroom independent villa in the Cedre community, Dubai Silicon Oasis. Straight through the front door, you walk into your formal living room. Very spacious, also access to the outside. Down to the left, you have your guest bathroom, and on the left hand side of that, your informal family room or informal living room. Heading off to the kitchen, you've got a very large modern style kitchen and also conveniently your dining room area. At the back of the kitchen, you also have your laundry area with your maid's room and a bathroom. The property does provide very good storage and also a downstairs bedroom with built-in wardrobe and also ensuite bathroom. Now to head upstairs. You have a large open space where you can easily fit a home office. First upstairs bedroom. All bedrooms with built-in wardrobes. It's got a balcony and also ensuite bathroom. Also another bedroom with an ensuite bathroom. This is the second upstairs bedroom. Very large bedrooms. Then going into the third upstairs bedroom. And also connected to a large balcony overlooking the community pool. Here you have some walk-in wardrobe and also a spacious ensuite bathroom. Now for the fourth bedroom upstairs. Another large bedroom. Access to a very large balcony overlooking the community. This is a very quiet and a family-orientated community. This bedroom also has its own ensuite bathroom with all bedrooms ensuite bathrooms. The property itself is very well maintained and has been brand new, newly painted over. And the property is also situated in a very good location, very close to Dubai Silicon Oasis amenities like pavilion, spinnies, community pools, and shared gyms. Very good property for a family. There's also a couple of schools in or nearby the location. With a plot size of 6,500 square feet and a built-up area of just over 4,800 square feet.